Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create these save the date cards in Word on an A4 piece of paper that you can cut out and put 4 on a page. So let's open a new document, and we're just going to go up to Layout and go to Margins, click on the drop down and select Narrow, so we just increase the size of our main page. Then we're going to go to Insert, Text Box, Draw Text Box, click and draw out the text box. Then once that's selected, we can go up to height, and in the height we want 13 centimeters, and in the width we want 9 centimeters, and just press enter. Now we're going to insert another text box exactly the same way. Draw text box, click and draw out a text box. Then we're going to insert the text, then select the text, go to home, and then in here you can change your font. I'm going to change mine to this one here. It's just one I've downloaded. If you want to know how to download and insert fonts to your font menu, then I'll link a video down below. Then I'm going to increase the size of this text to 48. Press enter. Then just move this box down so we get all of the text in. We will center everything at the end, but if I deselect this, you can see we've got this borderline around the outside, which I'm just going to get rid of. So select it, go to Shape Format, go to this icon here, Outline, and select No Outline. And if I deselect, you can see that's gone. Then I'm going to copy and paste this text box because I've taken the borderline out, so I don't have to do it again. Then once again, I'm going to select the text. Then I'm going to put in my own text. Then press Command or Control A to select all the text, go to the Home tab, and once again we can change this to another font, and once again we can change the font size. I'm going to change this to 18, and then I'm going to make sure it's centered. And in fact I need to do the same with this one, just make sure that's centered using this icon here. And in fact I'm going to make this font all uppercase. So select this icon here and go to uppercase, and then I'm going to copy and paste this again. So select it, hold down your Alt or Option key, click and drag, and then I'm going to select in my next text. I'm just pasting this in because I'm sure you don't want me to text. Now we're going to change the font color and we're going to align everything at the end, but I'm just going to get the photograph in. So go to Insert, Shapes, and click on the square, and then we're just going to click along here and make a rectangle. Now I'm going to split my image into multiple different rectangles. You can do the same, or you can just put it in one, it's up to you. But what you do have to bear in mind is where the faces of your couple will be in accordance with where you split the image. So I know that on my photograph I need only to have a small slither of images at the bottom because my faces are in this main area here. So it just needs to be a tiny differentiation there. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that across one more time. Don't forget, it's just the Alt key to copy and paste. If you want to make sure these bottom two are exactly the same height, just click on one of the shapes, go to Shape Format, go to Height, and you'll see it's 159 up here. Click on the other one, and again it's 159, so you know they're exactly the same height. Now I'm just going to select all of them, and to do this you hold down your Command or Control key on the keyboard, select them all, go to Shape Format, just get rid of that outline again, just select No Outline. Then let's go to Group, select Group, and then what we're going to do is go to Shape Format, go over to this Format pane icon, which will bring up this menu here. Go to the bucket icon and go to Fill and click on the drop down, and here you can select Picture or Texture Fill. Now I've already rehearsed this video, so already I've got that picture in, so just go to Insert, then you can select any image you want, but just be aware that because you have a rectangular landscape image, then you'll need to copy that and make sure it's a landscape image. Now this is a little stretch from the original, but just to show you to demonstrate. Once you're happy with your image, select everything by holding down your Command or Control key. Select the outer box and all the lower images as well. Go to Shape Format, go to Align and select Align to Center, and that will make sure everything's centered. And I'm just going to select all the text boxes, go to Home and select the text color, And I'm just going to change that to a dark grey. I just think it helps just take the hardness of the black off. Then I'm going to select everything else, again holding down the Command or Control key. Go to Shape Format, go to Group and select Group. Now we've got one group. I'm going to hold down my Alt or Option key, click and drag. I'm going to make sure these two are aligned, so go to Align to Top. Then I'm going to group them, then zoom out. And once again, hold down my Alt or Option key, click and drag. And then whilst they're both selected, align to center to make sure they're all perfectly lined up. Okay, so once you're finished and you're very happy with your design, you can go ahead and save this as a PDF and send it to a printer's, or you can print it off yourself and clearly cut it out on some beautiful paper or card. So I hope that's helped you today. If it has, please like and subscribe and have a great day.